What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. This is a new car for the channel. Some of the people that know me in real life, you've probably seen it already cruising around. I've been really enjoying this car. And no, I haven't sold a TL Type S. I don't think I would ever sell my TL Type S. This is the new project car for the channel. Shout out to Autoone. If you guys haven't watched other videos on my channel, Autoone is a company that's been sending out bulbs. It's like a sponsor for my channel. They sent out multiple bulbs. This one I'm going to install in another later video, but today they sent out my headlight bulbs. Honestly, the Camaro SS lacked one thing. If you guys don't know, this is a 1LE package, so it's a 2SS 1LE. Oh man, let me show you guys the coolest part about this car. So this is the big selling point of my Camaro SS. Let's open this baby up. Oh my god, this baby got the Recaro package seats. It is so freaking beautiful, man. Honestly, they hug you like Snorlax. If you guys watch Pokemon, you guys know. Like, it will hug you so tight, it feels amazing. Also, you know, if you guys got a 5th gen, you always got to go with the manual. That's just personally me. I always had to go with the manual. I enjoy the manual overall than the automatic. And this car is equipped with the LS3 and not the L99 motor. So yeah, let's go ahead and start in this video. Let me do a quick unboxing. Shout out to Autoone once again. I have their link down below. I also got a discount code. It'll be right here on the screen. You guys could get, I believe it was 10 or 20 or 15% off. And they always supply these gloves. Oh my god, I love these gloves. I use these to wrap cars, so I get to save some money on there right there. That out. This is their booklet. You can follow them on Instagram or wherever. Man, Autoone always amazes me with their quality. I've seen a lot of freaking different type of bulbs. Oh, these got fans in it. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Excited to see the difference. Let's even say Autoone on that. Is so cool. What the stock ones look like right now. You gotta come right here, turn the headlights on. Look at that. I'm sorry to tell you, I freaking hate these bulbs. I drive around in a 2015 car. It's a 1LE. Yes, I get it. It doesn't have the RS package, so it doesn't have those cool halos. Future thing I want to get for this car. But it came with these Bodhi trash halogens. Those gotta go. I already upgraded the side little markers. Main one has to be the headlights. Let's shut that off. That noise is pretty annoying. Pop the hood, straight on the bottom. Come up here, close the door. This hood is cooked. It's been sitting in the sun for 10 plus years. I don't know if the previous owner kept it in the garage or not. Oh my god, it's filthy under here. I'll make a video soon of detailing this entire car. This is pathetic. I will go ahead and detail this in the next video. If you guys see my TL, it's way cleaner than this, but it's gonna get there eventually. Let me go ahead and show you guys how easy this is. We look down here, the bulb is all the way to the right. There's nothing else surrounding. So we come here and it looks like it's the first thing right there. Had to. Alright guys, we're back after installing the bulbs. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna show you guys a comparison, but it was a pain to get that one off. I ended up just using some WD-40 and spraying it. Part where it twists, it got corroded, I'm guessing. Stock bulbs are H11s. Man, I always try to make the job easy. Forgot to go ahead. I forgot to put this on, I think. Oh, this was funny. I actually found an extra one right here. I don't know where that came from, but it came from somewhere. Just real quick, I haven't seen it myself. This is probably gonna be the first look. Are they on is the real question though. Oh man, I'm not gonna look back yet. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so freaking nice. Wow, these are beautiful. Holy crap, these are so nice. I finally got some LED bulbs and they have a blue tint to it. That is beautiful. Just set this up right here. Get a quick cold start of this baby. That honestly concludes the video. I might pick up the camera later on at night to show you guys how it looks. So happy with the outcome. This side looks so clear. I don't know why I got to clean up the headlight. Looks like this side just looks so good, man. Honestly, one of my favorite companies out there when it comes to LED bulbs. They always got some good stuff. The next time we gotta change out the license plate, and I'm pretty sure these work on the interior. They sent these out to me as well. And we're gonna go ahead and change the turn signals too to LED soon. My God, these are so beautiful. What's up, YouTube? I'm just doing a real quick video actually. I'm just gonna show you guys a sneak peek in the next video. I just tinted my taillights. Hopefully the camera's not too shaky. That's the before and after, but that's for our next video. Wow. Wow. Guys, these lights are like actually so bright. Wow, that is crazy. Shout out to Autoone for sending me those bulbs. Description down below for the link for these bulbs and also their entire website, because whatever car you guys got, whatever car you guys have, they got the bulbs. I'm telling you guys. But yeah, this looks crazy good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys.